In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Gmail password right on your PC. This guide is perfect for those moments when you've forgotten a password but need to access your account quickly and efficiently. Let's focus on ensuring you understand each step clearly to make the process as smooth as possible. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other that you regularly use. The important thing is that you should be comfortable navigating with it. Now, once your browser is open, go ahead and type Google account into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the relevant Google account settings page. Next, locate and click on the first search result that appears. This is typically referred to as the Sign In Google Accounts page. You'll want to be logged into the Google account where your Gmail is linked. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Upon successfully logging in, you should now be on the Google account page. Here you'll see a sidebar or navigation menu on the left-hand side. Look through the options and find the one labeled Security. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the security settings. Now that you're in the security section, scroll down until you find a subsection called Signing Into Google. This section contains various settings linked to accessing your Google account. Look for an option called Password Manager. This tool is incredibly useful as it stores and manages your passwords securely. Click on Password Manager and you will now see a list of accounts for which your browser has saved passwords. Take your time to scroll through this list to locate your Gmail account. Once found, click on the Gmail entry. At this point, your browser may prompt you to enter your computer's password or verify your identity through other means, like fingerprint recognition. This verification step ensures your account's security by confirming that you are indeed the person accessing the password. After you've successfully verified your identity, a page will open showing your Gmail account info. Here, you'll find a field labeled Password. Now comes the easy part. To reveal the stored password, simply click on the eye icon or the Show Password option next to it. Your Gmail password will now be visible on screen. And that's it. Those are the straightforward steps you need to follow to view your Gmail password on your PC. Remember, while it's a convenient method for when you forget your password, always ensure that your computer is secure and protected to prevent unauthorized access to your personal information. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.